Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. I just made my favorite, best pizza dough ever, so watch the video for that. And you know what? I divided it in half and I don't feel like making two huge 14-inch pizzas. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna freeze the dough and I'm gonna show you how right now. So I've uncovered it. This is what's left, so I have half. I have a Ziploc bag, a 1-gallon Ziploc bag, and I have poured a little bit of extra virgin olive oil inside. All right, and I'm just gonna sort of smear it around because I don't want my dough to stick to the bag. I have labeled it, it says pizza dough and the date, and I'm just gonna gently gather it, and I have some oil in my hands, and I'm just gonna lay it in there. All right, bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to seal it. I'm going to freeze it. We get all the air out, Ziploc it. I'm going to freeze it for up to 3 or 4 months. I'm going to thaw it in the refrigerator when I do want pizza, and then I'm going to let it rise for about an hour before I use it. That's it. It's easy. So make a little extra pizza dough, my pizza dough, and freeze it for another special pizza day. Until next time, be a subscriber.